First and quickly, I'm going to start out with yet again, I've recited Virginia Code to you. So now I'm going to your own policy. This is going to be policy 4180, school counseling program. Each school will provide academic, career, personal. Information regarding personal social counseling will be kept confidential and separate. How is that when we have Chromebooks? Employment counseling, it's a lot of counseling. Classroom guidance, conduct by school counselor in the classroom for all students. Let's see. Small group counseling available to students experiencing specific in common. So the classroom guidance is for all. They're very specific about that. You did this, by the way, on August 10th, 2021, my first school board meeting before I knew to go through this stuff. So this is one you can't claim, we didn't know the other school board did it. Individual counseling, direct assistance to individual students. Participation and parental consent. No student will be required to participate in any counseling to which the student's parents object. Your policy. Parental permission is not required for short duration personal or social counseling. Let's all agree that it's not short duration and it's not personal. Parental permission is required opt-in for small group counseling or ongoing structured individual counseling. Parents may elect to have their elementary school, this is not codified in Virginia, by the way, not participate, opt out in classroom group counseling. But if it was, you're still not doing it. Parents shall be notified prior to the date on which such counseling lessons occur. Such notice shall provide enough in advance to allow parents to opt an opportunity to opt their children out and view lesson plans and materials. Still not doing that. Still not part of the law. But anyway, you're not doing either. The procedure for parents to use in opting their children out of counseling is the parent shall make the request in writing. Parents paying attention, write your school, opt them out. They're counseling them to death without your permission. The principal shall make arrangements to exclude the student from the planned classroom activity. Alternate lessons will not be provided. You're violating federal law. Notice of availability of counseling. Parents will be notified at least annually about all counseling so it goes back elementary school or all. Which one is it? Your policy 2021. So yet again, we have DESA coming up with Sharon Pope in the 21st. Let's see, assessment overview, Dr. Sharon Pope, Dr. Terry Perkins, December 21st, 2021. You went over assessments. Accountability, the why, starting with the why, accountability. That's your accountability, in which you have VKRP, PALS, DESA, starting in kindergarten. WIDA access, DESA. First grade, PALS, DESA. That's the Devereaux behavior screener that you're doing K through 8 on children repeatedly. Last year, agreement, not all schools went out. Are we doing that again? Are we there? That you're refusing to follow federal law? Because you're the only division in the state not following ESSER. So guess what? OIG is going to come in and overhaul this county inside and out. I have it done. Spoke to Governor Youngkin last week, Tuesday. He's now aware that the legislation I wrote, by the way, that to audit, and so does Amy Gadara, the whole state, you're going to get started because I have every email I've ever sent. You won't report the money. Why? Because one school board at a town hall admitted you used the ESSER money to pay off your debt for 2 years. Another one who's not here admitted you used the ESSER money to become fully funded for 2 years. That's called fraud. Okay? That's why you won't report where the money is. And by the way, the UN Child Rights, that's not America. That's not the United States. Okay? That's called we are a sovereign nation. It's not a thing. It's called my rights don't stop where your feelings begin yet again. 14th Amendment, due process. Again, attorneys, I'll see you in a month if you don't bring parents back into the equation. It's not an option.